जैसे कि आपने देखा है, I like to misuse credit cards, and I think it's a nice message to the audiences in today's recession to be able to do that. So whoever wants to know how to learn how to misuse a credit card can come and watch me in the film, and they'll know how to do it. But yeah, it's a fun film. I think all of us here present today, present in the movie, we all have had a certain amount of experience with loans and the worry of paying our EMIs at the end of the month. And we've seen how a bank is so sweet when they have to come to give you a credit card or a loan. And when they have to take back their money, they're not that sweet, and that love somewhere is lost. So it's a take on that. I think it's a nice, fun film. It's the element of tongue-in-cheek kind of a parody on the whole financial system, which actually has created so much recession in today's time, which the whole American economy has kind of crashed, is because of their credit systems and all of that.
My character is Nancy, and I'm paired opposite this very bad boy called Ryan. And well, for me, it's been a great experience. It's the first time that I'm actually going to be doing more than just dancing and mouthing a few dialogues. So for me, it's been absolutely wonderful. Well, she's also a very today's urban girl who's equally high maintenance and who wants the good life and doesn't mind the good life, even if it means taking a loan and pay and probably escaping those EMIs as much as she can. But that's what she's all about, and we're both very high maintenance people. But it's been great fun. It's been an absolute pleasure working on this film, and I'm really looking forward to it.
I play Ashish Chaudhary's wife in the movie. We're a young couple taking a loan for our honeymoon, and certain things happen in our lives because of which we cannot repay it back. And that's where Sattar Bhai's character comes into the picture. He sorts our lives out, and we start paying our EMIs after that. All I think we are trying to say with EMI is that we are not really against taking loans, but take a loan only if you can repay it back.
यहाँ की lifestyle जीने के लिए loans तो लेने ही पड़ते हैं. Those of from outside will probably know that. बहुत लोग accept नहीं करते कि वो loans लेते हैं, कहते हैं कि we never take loans. लेकिन अगर आप credit card भी use करें तो वो loan ही हुआ. It's plastic money. बैंक का पैसा है, interest दे रहे हैं आप, आपके पास जेब में नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी 5 star में खाना खा रहे हैं. So everybody takes loans. It's the most common thing. It is a topical issue. ये लड़का एक लड़की से प्यार करने लगता है और शिल्पा जब आती है ज़िंदगी में तो लोन्स डबल हो जाते हैं obviously, क्योंकि अब उसके लिए भी लोन्स लेने हैं. और एक थर्ड पर्सन के लिए ये बहुत फ़नी चीज़ होती है. जब लोग लोन लेते हैं, जो लेता है उसके लिए इतनी फ़नी नहीं है, लेकिन जो देखता है वो लोन्स के रीजंस को बहुत फ़नी समझता है कि ये यहाँ खाने को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता लेकिन यहाँ क्रेडिट कार्ड से यहाँ खाना खा रहा है, क्यों? छोटी गाड़ी ले स्कूटर ले सकता है लेकिन गाड़ी ले रहा है, क्यों? रीजंस बहुत फ़नी होते हैं. और जब उसे एकजुट करके जब आप EMI पे करने की कोशिश करते हैं तो वो कभी कभी फ़नी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन जब आप पे अप नहीं करते हैं, डिफ़ॉल्ट करते हैं, दैट्स द फनीस्ट मोमेंट्स. दैट्स व्हेन सत्तार भाई एंटर्स आवर लाइफ. जब हम शादी का लोन और हनीमून लोन, लैपटॉप लोन, कार लोन, इतने सारे लोन्स जो वो खुद के लिए नहीं पर शिल्पा के लिए भी उठाता है, दैट कॉजेज द अनरेस्ट और डिसरप्शन, और वो कोई भी relationship की बैंड बजा देता है.
Urmila's character is basically a lady whose husband has committed suicide, and she wants to prove that it is an accident, and that's why, so that she can get the insurance money, and that's why she goes to Sattar Bhai and gets into a fix, puts herself in a fix, and kind of becomes the apple of Sattar Bhai's eye. And actually it's very situational and funny. It sounds a bit morbid, but it is really, really funny the way the whole thing happens. And I think she's really performed this role, which is actually one of the most difficult roles in the film to do, because the genre of the film is comedy. And I think the way Urmila has played the character, without making it caricaturish, she has been able to evoke laughter. She's been able to evoke sympathy, through her character. So really, I wish she was here so she could have explained it better. But when I saw the film, I thought she'd really done a wonderful job.
About the film, everybody has spoken what they had to speak. I can only say one thing, that my Balaji Telefilms and Popcorn, they make a good combination, and the working is very cordial, and I hope the same continues in the future and we make some decent entertainment, and hope we don't have to go for EMI with the banks and all.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.